Good morning, KG. How are you? I miss you so much. Today we will talk about animals on the farm. We will take some animals and the baby animals of them. Look here. The first animal we will take, what is this animal? It's called hen. 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 The second animal, what is this animal? Cat. 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 Okay, let's see. And what about this animal? Dog. 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 Next animal. What is this animal? It's called sheep. 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 Okay, and after it, what about this animal? Cow. 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 The next animal. What about this animal? It's called duck. 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 Next animal. What is this animal? Donkey. 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 Okay. And this? Horse. 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 Okay. And this, look at this picture. Goat. 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 Okay. Look about this picture. This is the baby animal of the dog. It's called puppy. 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 Okay. And this is the baby animal of the goat. It's called lamb. 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 Sorry, this is the baby animal of the sheep, not goat. This is the baby animal of the sheep. It's called lamb. Lamb. Okay. And this is rabbit. 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 Okay. And this is the baby animal of the goat. It's called foal. 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 The horse, sorry, it's called foal. The baby animal of the horse. It's called foal. Foal. And this is the baby animal of the chicken or hen. It's called chick. 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 Okay. And the last animal, this is the baby animal of the cat. It's called kitten. 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 Okay. Now, you will open the book on Unit 6, Animals on the Farm, and we will open it, the first page. We have here a farm. What we can find in a farm? What we can find in a farm? We can find donkey, dog, cat, rabbit, horse, hen, sheep, cow, goat, duck. So this is a farm and this is an animals. Okay. After it, wait. Here in this sheet, we have the animals and the steps of these animals. We have to walk on, follow the steps. We have follow the steps and write the name of the animal here. Like this, the first animal here, what is this? Cow. We will follow the steps of the cow and write it here. So we will write here cow. Okay, the second animal, this is goat. We will follow the steps of the goat and write it here on number 1. So we will write here goat. Okay. The third animal we have rabbit. What is this animal? Rabbit. Okay. We will follow the steps of the rabbit and write it here on number 6. Okay. After it, what is this? we will here we have the words. This is sheep, yes, okay. We will follow the steps and write it here. And what about this hen? We will follow the steps of the hen and write it here. And here the sheep, we will follow the steps of the sheep and write it here. And here is horse, we will follow the steps of the horse and write it here, okay. Here, look at this sheet. Here, look at this girl. She is love the duck. So the girl will say, I like ducks. I like ducks. The next picture. Look at her. She afraid of the duck. So she will say, I don't like ducks. I don't like ducks. Here, she afraid of the horse. She afraid of the horse. So the girl will say, I don't like horse. I don't like horse. And here also the boy afraid of the cow. Afraid of the cow. So he will say, I don't like cow. Okay, here, look here. She like the cow. She will say, I like cow. And here he hugs the cat. So the boy will say, I like cat. She afraid of the cat. I don't like cat. Here, she likes cat. She likes the horse, sorry. So she will say, I like horse. Okay. Here we will take the baby animals. The baby animals. Here we have cat. The baby animal of the cat is called kitten. Okay, the next one we have hen, and the baby animal of the hen is chick. Okay, and here we have dog, and the baby animal of the dog is puppy. Okay, and here we have a horse, and the baby animal of the horse is foal. Okay, and here the last animal we have a sheep. And the baby animal of the sheep is lamb. Okay. In this sheet we have to match the animal with the baby animal and write it. Like here we have this hen or this chick, sorry. We will match to the chick and write it here. Okay, and this is horse. Where is the baby animal of the horse? Is this the baby animal of the horse? No. Is this the baby animal of the horse? No. Is this the baby animal of the horse? No. This the baby animal of the horse? Yes, so we will match horse with foal and write foal here. Okay, the next one, this is dog. We will find the baby animal of the dog. Dog, okay, we will search. Is this the baby animal of the dog? No. Is this the baby animal of the dog? Huh? Yes, this is the baby animal of the dog. Sorry, this is the baby animal of the dog. So we will write here puppy. Okay, the last one, sheep. We will find the baby animal of the sheep. This is the baby animal of the sheep, lamb. So we will write here, match sheep with lamb and write it here. Okay, thank you KG for your watching. Goodbye.